So, guys, this video will tell you everything that you need to make a perfect high score in your Scratch games. You have a project ready. Let's start making the high score. I shall name it high and cloud variable stored on every server. We need that. Now, we also need the if loop. Let's see it. And we also need the operator key. More than. And over here, in these two slots, we need this. If your points or whatever your score is named is more than your high score, then you need to set your high score to points. And this is actually the whole line of code. You can see it now how it works in game. Now let's start the game and we are on here. Let's go. And the high score also changes. If I play it again and gather 2 coins, then it will change to 2. I score 1. Where's the second point? It changed to 2. And this time, if I make only 1 point, it does not change. So that was all for this video. Hope you liked it, guys. And watch these